Warren Buffett is fully invested. He keeps his profits in there all the time. So you have to remember, Warren might be able to take, let's just use a hypothetical. You might be able to say investing with Warren Buffett with $10,000 in 1960 would give you $5 million today. Okay, this is Warren B. 10 grand goes into 5 million from 1960 into today. I know of one trader who over a 20-year period, his model account started with $5,000 and in 18 years went to about 21 million. Okay? So is Warren Buffett the better trader? I would say absolutely not. In fact, in comparison, Warren is a pretty piss-poor trader in comparison, right? Because you started with half as much in fewer years and you made more money. This guy's name is Ed Sakota. He's in the Market Wizard's book. So if you question that return, call Jack Schwager, challenge him on it. Ask him, how do you know he did that? Did you see returns? Did you see account statements? I'm telling you, everybody, there are traders out there that have returns that are mind-boggling. Okay, absolutely mind-boggling. You just don't hear about them, quite frankly. And you know what? Warren Buffett, he has a different methodology. He goes out and he's going to purchase big chunks of companies, invest huge amounts of money at any one time. Okay, so let me get back into the meat of this. However, I'm questioning you how and why you can assume the monthly return of 15%. First of all, I didn't assume that. I was giving you an example. Okay, so that's not an assumption. It's not designed to be a track record or anything else. Those are simply examples. You see, part of this process is lifting up your expectations and lifting up your understanding of what's possible. I just realized I had a lot of tension in my voice, so I was pausing to kind of relax. You've got to understand that trading and life is about what is possible. What do you expect? If you think that the only way to get 180% return on your money in a year is to be the best trader in the world, odds are you are not going to get there, because most of us don't look at ourselves and say, hey, I'm the best in the world. You know, some people do, and what do we call those? Braggarts, and they're flashy, and they're showboats, like Don King. Okay? It's not a positive view. So if you associate a negative view with being the best trader in the world, do you really think you're going to get there? Okay, so the spreadsheet is to show you what's possible. Moving on. If I understand you correctly, which you don't, you don't understand me correctly. For every trade you're trying to make 20 pips. No. And I'm going to stop here. You're way off base. You really need to go back and watch CD 3 and 5 and really get into what I'm talking about. You need to look at different examples in the spreadsheets. You have really missed the boat in what I was saying and how to exit a position. And I can tell that by your question here, where you said, if I understand you correctly, for every trade you're trying to make 20 pips. That really is not even close to what I've said. Okay, so please go back, review the discs. Where do I access the 3 raids video that used to be on the old site? It's in the downloads section, top right-hand corner. It's in a box that's titled Downloads, Downloads, Downloads. Follow that, and you'll find the 3 raids video. Was 175 pip drop this morning a classic sneak attack? I have no idea.